Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh, R.K. Mathur, on Saturday installed the world's largest Khadi national flag on the occasion of the 152nd birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. The tricolour, which is 225 feet long and 150 feet wide, weighs around 1,000 kilograms. It has been prepared by the 57 Engineer Regiment of the Indian Army. The flag has been made by Khadi and Village Industry Commission and was displayed by the Army in Leh. Army Chief General Manoj Mukund Naravane, who is on a two-day visit to Ladakh, was also present along with other army officials during the inauguration of the flag. At least 150 troops of the Indian Army's 57 Engineer Regiment carried the flag to the top of a hill at over 2,000 feet above the ground level in Leh. It took 2 hours for the troops to reach the top.